Energy efficiency has become a top priority for homeowners looking to improve comfort while managing household expenses. One of the most effective upgrades for improving energy performance is replacing older windows. For homeowners in Covington, replacement windows offer meaningful energy efficiency benefits that can be felt throughout the home, all year long. Reducing air leaks and drafts. Older windows often develop gaps, worn seals, or warped frames over time. These issues allow outdoor air to move freely inside, creating drafts and making indoor temperatures harder to control. Even small leaks can add up to noticeable discomfort. Replacement windows are designed to fit precisely within existing openings. For Covington homeowners, this tighter fit helps eliminate drafts and reduces unwanted air movement. Rooms feel more comfortable, and temperature fluctuations near windows become far less noticeable. Supporting consistent indoor temperatures. When windows don't insulate properly, heating and cooling systems must work harder to maintain comfort. This often leads to uneven temperatures from room to room. Replacement windows help create a more balanced indoor environment by limiting heat transfer through the glass and frames. Covington homeowners frequently notice that spaces near new windows feel more stable and comfortable. Consistent temperatures make the entire home more enjoyable to live in throughout the day. Improving insulation at key areas. Windows are a major part of a home's exterior envelope. Replacement windows are built with improved materials and construction techniques that enhance insulation. This added insulation helps slow the movement of heat between indoor and outdoor spaces. For homes in Covington, better insulation around windows supports improved energy performance. Indoor spaces remain more comfortable without relying as heavily on heating or cooling systems. Reducing energy loss throughout the home. Energy loss through outdated windows can significantly impact overall efficiency. Replacement windows help minimize this loss by creating a tighter seal and improved thermal performance. Covington homeowners benefit from reduced energy waste and a home that maintains comfort more naturally. Over time, these improvements contribute to a more energy-efficient household. Enhancing comfort in sun-exposed rooms. Rooms that receive a lot of sunlight can become uncomfortable when windows allow too much heat inside. Replacement windows help manage sunlight more effectively, allowing natural light in without overwhelming the space. For Covington homeowners, this means enjoying bright interiors without feeling overheated. Comfortable sun-exposed rooms add to the overall livability of the home. Supporting quieter, more relaxing interiors. Energy-efficient replacement windows often provide added sound reduction. Improved ceiling and construction help block outside noise, contributing to a calmer indoor environment. In Covington homes, this quieter atmosphere enhances comfort and makes daily living more peaceful, especially in active neighborhoods. Protecting heating and cooling systems. When windows leak air, heating and cooling systems must run more frequently to compensate. Replacement windows reduce this strain by keeping conditioned air inside. Covington homeowners often find that new windows support smoother operation of climate systems, helping maintain comfort without constant adjustments. Adding long-term value through energy efficiency upgrades aren't just about immediate comfort, they also add long-term value. Replacement windows are a visible improvement that signals care and thoughtful investment in the home. Even if selling isn't on the horizon, Covington homeowners benefit from knowing their windows contribute to improved performance and lasting appeal. A smart upgrade for everyday living. Replacement windows offer a combination of comfort, efficiency, and practicality. By reducing drafts, improving insulation, and supporting stable indoor temperatures, they enhance daily life in meaningful ways. For Covington homeowners, investing in replacement windows is a smart step toward a more energy-efficient home, one that feels comfortable, balanced, and efficient year-round.